Hi, my name is David Liptak. I am the carpentry instructor at the Beaver County Career and Technical Center. I'm here to talk to you about a unique opportunity that our students have of doing a dual enrollment with the Community College of Beaver County for the Construction Academy. It's a very unique opportunity for these students to earn credits while they're still in school, to get themselves further ahead in education and to have a way of making more money.
And I'm Lauren Susan. I'm the Associate Dean of the High School Academies and Dual Enrollment at CCBC, and we're excited to be partnering with the Beaver County Career and Technology Center to offer this unique opportunity for you to get a jump start on taking college credits while you're still in high school. You have to have a 2.5 GPA in order to qualify for the program, and act fast. We need your application and transcripts by September 12th. So we're excited to be partnering to build on your future.